Before let's our study, please pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, bless our study and our future. Bless our teacher and our family. Make us to be the best student and carefulness. Thank you for your love and guidance. Thank you for everything, God. Amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qala al-muallifu rahimahullahu ta'ala wa nafa'ana bihi bi'ulumihi fid dharaini. Amin. Al-zulmu utawi iki iku tyranny. Al-zulmu utawi iki iku tyranny. T-Y-R-A-N-N-Y. What the meaning? Kezaliman. Al-zulmu utawi iki iku tyranny. Huwa utawi zalim iku al-khuruju go out. Iku al-khuruju go out an haddil i'tidali from the limits of justice. Slowly. Al-zulmu utawi iki iku tyranny. Huwa utawi tyranny iku al-khuruju go out an haddil i'tidali from the limits of justice. From the limits of justice. G-U-S-T-I-C-E. Justice. Bitaqswiri with less. Bitaqswiri because less. Because less. L-E-S-S less. Au tajawuzul haddi or more than the limit. Au tajawuzul haddi or more than the limit. Or more than the limit. Fayashmulu, so the tyranny is covers. Fayashmulu, so the tyranny is covers. Jami'al ma'asi, all action of sinner. Jami'al ma'asi, in all action of sinner. Fayashmulu, so the tyranny is covers Jami'al ma'aswi in all action of sinners. All action of sinners. Of sinner. Do you finish? Finish. Fayashmulu, so the tyranny is covers Jami'al ma'asi in all action of sinner. Wa ya'ummu anwa'ar rada'ili and all of bad behavior. Wa ya'ummu anwa'ar rada'ili and all of bad behavior. All of bad behavior. All of bad behavior. What the meaning al-zulmu? Kezaliman. Al-zulmu huwa al-khuruju an haddil i'tidali bitaqsiri au tajawuzul haddi fayashmulu jami'al ma'asi wa ya'ummu anwa'ar rada'ili. Zalim is go out from the limits of justice, yakni keluar dari batas keadilan. Bitaqsiri au tajawuzul haddi, baik kurang ataupun melebihi batas. Jadi di luar batas keadilan. Fayashmulu jami'al ma'asi, so the tyranny is covers all action of sinner. Dan kezaliman itu meliputi segala perbuatan siyat wa ya'ummu anwa'ar radaili and all of bad behavior dan meliputi segala kelakuan yang buruk. Wa sahibuhu utawi people who have tyranny. Wa sahibuhu utawi people who have tyranny. Wa sahibuhu utawi people who have tyranny iku imma zalimun, there is tyranny, iku zalimun, there is tyrannous people, iku zalimun, there is tyrannous people, linafsihi to himself, linafsihi to himself, awwalimun or tyranny atau persecute, bisa tyranny, bisa persecute. Persecute PERSECUTE. Awwalimun or persecute li ghairihi to other people. Fadzulmun mangka utawi persecute, fadzulmun nafsi mangka utawi persecute to himself, fadzulmun nasi mangka utawi persecute to himself iku ibaratun proportion, iku ibaratun proportion, oh proposition proposition misalnya. Berapa tahun? Ragu. Repot proportion. Ibaratun. Ya, proposition. Iku ibaratun proposition anit taksiri from less, LESS from less, fi ta'atillahi ta'ala in the obey to Allah ta'ala, fi ta'atillahi ta'ala in the obey to Allah ta'ala, au tarkil imani or leave the iman, au tarkil imani or leave the iman. Wa dhulmul ghairi and persecute to other, wa dhulmul ghairi and persecute to other iku ibaratun proposition, wa dhulmul ghairi utawi persecute to other iku ibaratun proposition anit tafriti from reduce 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 fi haqqihi ing dalam human rights, fi haqqihi ing dalam human rights, ka'idha jari like us hard to neighbor, ka'idha jari like us hard to neighbor, menyakiti tetangganya, hard to neighbor. Wa ihanatid dhaifi and insult to guys, what the meaning dhaifun? Tamu. Insult to guys, GUEST, waftiro il kadibi and create a liars, wa fira'il kadhibi and create a liars wal ghibati and gossip wan namimati and calumniation. Waftira'il kadhibi and create a liars wal ghibati and gossip wan namimati and calumniation. Orang yang dolim itu diantaranya dolimul li nafsihi, persecute to himself, dolim kepada dirinya sendiri. Au dolimul li ghairihi, persecute to other people, dolim kepada orang lain. Fadzulmun nafsi, persecute to his people, yaitu ibaratun anit taksiri fi ta'atillahi ta'ala, mendolimi diri itu berarti tidak menaati perintah Allah, au tarikil imani atau tidak beriman, meninggalkan iman. Wadul ghairi, persecute to other, zalim kepada orang lain, itu ibaratun anit tafriti fi haqqihi, apa? Yakni mengurangi hak asasi orang lain, iku dolim terhadap orang lain. Seperti kaidah jari hard to nekbor. What the meaning hard? Menyakiti tetangganya. Wa ihanati dhaifi and insult to guys. Insult, menghina tamunya. Wa iftira'il kadhibi and create a liars, menciptakan kebohongan. Wal ghibati and gossip wan namimati and calumniation. Gossip and calumniation, what the meaning? Gossip rasan-rasan menggunjing. Calumniation, adu domba. Qala sayyid sinten Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Abdul utawi persecute, Abdul utawi persecute, iku zulumatun, some of dark. Iku zulumatun, some of dark. Dark. Dark, kebalikannya light. Apa? Dark, kegelapan. Some of dark. Yaumal qiyamati, ing dalam last day. Yaumal qiyamati, ing dalam last day, hari kiamat. Wa fil haditsil qudsi, lan ing dalam hadis qudsi, ya ibadi inni haramtu dzulma ala nafsi wa ja'altuhu bainakum muharraman fala tadzalamu. Ya ibadi, hai my servant, ya ibadi, hai my servant, Inni actually me, iku haram tu forbid sapa ingsun. Inni actually me, iku haram tu forbid sapa ingsun al-dulma ing persecute or tyranny. Ala nafsi to myself, ala nafsi to myself, wa ja'altuhu and make me, wa ja'altu and make me who ing persecute or tyranny, wa ja'altu and make me who ing persecute or tyranny, bainakum between you, muharraman ing forbidden, bainakum between you muharraman ing forbidden, fala tadzalamu, so don't persecute all of you, fala tadzalamu, so don't persecute of all of you. So don't persecute all of you. Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Al-dhulmu dhulumatun yaumal qiyamah." The tyranny is some of dark in the last day. Kezaliman menyebabkan berbagai kegelapan pada hari kiamat. Dan dia diskusi, ya ibadi, hei my servant, wahai hambaku, inni haram tu dulma, actually me to forbid in the tyranny. Aku mengharamkan diriku berbuat dolim. Wa ja'altuhu bainakum muharraman, and make me the persecute between you is forbidden. Dan aku menjadikannya haram di antara kalian. Because that fala tawalamu, so don't persecute all of you, maka janganlah kalian saling berbuat zalim. Al-adalu utawi iki iku fair. Al-adalu utawi iki iku fair. 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 Adil kan? Fair ya? No. Fair, keadilan, justice. Fair, FAIR. Atau bisa diartikan justice. Justice, JUSTICE. Justice, fair or justice. Keadilan. What about keadilan? Huwa utawi iki iku fair, iku tawassupu proportional. Huwa utawi fair, iku at-tawassutu proportional. Fil umuri in all matters. Huwa utawi fair or justice iku at-tawassupu proportional. Proportional, PROPORTIONAL, proportional. Fil umuri in all matters. In all matters. Wasairu and action. Wasairu and action fiha ing dalam umur ala wafqi syariati ing atase syariah rules. Ala wafqi syariati ing atase syariah rules. Rules, RULES, rules. Rules. Wa utawi iki iku adil. Wa utawi adil iku nau'ani. There are two kinds. Wa utawi adil iku nau'ani, there are two kinds. Adil ada dua macam. Nau'ani, there are two kinds. Al-awwalu utawi the first. Al-awwalu utawi the first iku adalul insani, fair of human. Fair of human iku adalul insani, fair of human fi nafsihi, in himself. Iku adalul insani, fair of human fi nafsihi, in himself. Wa huwa utawi the first iku ayyasluka, go through. Gotrog. THROUGH. Iku ayasluka gotrog sabilal istiqomati ing sabilal istiqomati ing apa? Istiqomah way. Sabilal istiqomati ing dalane istiqomah. Istiqomah way or istiqomah access. Istiqomah way. Athani utawi the second iku adluhu fair of human. Iku adluhu fair of human ma'a ghairihi to other people. Ma'a ghairihi to other people. There are two kinds of fair. The first is adlul insani fi nafsihi, fair of human in the himself. Adil terhadap diri sendiri. Gimana adil terhadap diri sendiri? Maksudnya wa huwa ayyasluka sabilal istiqomati, ketika seseorang itu menempuh jalan istiqomah. Adil terhadap diri sendiri. Atsani adalu ma'a ghairihi, adil terhadap orang lain. Wa huwa utawi atsani iku salah satu aqsamin, there are three kinds. Iku salah satu aqsamin, there are three kinds. There are three kinds. First, adalu sultani, rulers justice. Adlu sultani, rulers justice. Duduk penggaris, ruler itu bisa diartikan penguasa. Rules, peraturan. Kalau ruler, nah orang yang buat peraturan, penguasa. Jadi adlu sultani, rulers justice. Rulers justice fi ra'iyatihi to the people, fi ra'iyatihi to the people, bittiba'il maisuri, kelawan follow the easy path. Fi ra'iyatihi to the people, bittiba'il maisuri, kelawan follow the easy path. Follow the easy path. 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 Follow the easy path. Wa i'ta'i kulli dhi haqqin, and give the right. Give the right. Give the right haqqahu ing according to respective right. Haqqahu ing according to respective right. According to respective rights. You finish? Asani adluhu ma'a ghairihi, fair of human to other people. Adil terhadap orang lain ada tiga macam. There are three kinds. First, adlu sultani fi ra'iyatihi, rulers justice to the people. Keadilan seorang penguasa. Yang pertama, keadilan seorang penguasa kepada rakyatnya. Bittiba'il maisuri wa i'ta'i kulli dhi haqqin haqqahu. Follow the easy path and give the right according to respective right. Yakni maksudnya mengikuti jalan yang mudah dan memberikan hak untuk rakyatnya, memberikan haknya masing-masing. Keadilan penguasa terhadap rakyatnya. Kedua, the second adlu ra'iyati, justice of the people. Adlu ra'iyati, justice of the people. Justice of the people ma'as sultani, to the ruler. Ma'as sultani, to the ruler. Sultan, what the meaning sultan? Raja. Raja, the meaning king. Tapi diartikan penguasa, orang yang berkuasa. To the ruler, bukan king. Watilmidi and justice of student. Watilmidi and justice of student. Ma'a ustadihi, to his teacher. Watilmidi and justice of student. Ma'a ustadihi, to his teacher. Walwaladi and justice of child. Walwaladi and justice of child ma'a walidayhi, to his parent. Bi ikhlasil ta'ati, with obey it sincerely. Bi ikhlasil ta'ati, with obey it sincerely. With obey, obay, obey it sincerely. sincerely, sincerely. What the meaning sincerely? Dengan perasaan ikhlas. Yang kedua, keadilan rakyat terhadap penguasa, justice the people to the ruler. Watilmidi ma'a ustadihi, and justice of student to his teacher, keadilan seorang siswa terhadap gurunya. Walwaladi ma'a walidayhi, and justice of child to his parent, keadilan anak terhadap ibu bapaknya. Maksudnya bagaimana keadilan rakyat terhadap penguasanya, keadilan keadilan murid terhadap gurunya, dan keadilan anak terhadap orang tuanya. Itu bi ikhlasil ta'ati, with obey it sincerely. Maksudnya menaatinya dengan ikhlas. Aku mau keadilan seorang murid terhadap gurunya, seorang anak terhadap orang tuanya, seorang rakyat terhadap penguasanya. Bagaimana caranya adil terhadap mereka? Yakni dengan menaatinya dengan ikhlas. The third, adalul insani, justice of human, ma'a amsalihi, for another. Adalul insani, justice of human, ma'a amsalihi, for another. Yang ketiga, keadilan seseorang terhadap sesamanya. Bagaimana? Bitarkit takaburi, with leave arrogant. Bitarkit takaburi, with leave arrogant, dengan meninggalkan kesombongan. Tidak bersikap sombong terhadap orang lain. Alaihim, to another, kepada orang lain. Wakafil adha, and prevent to hurt. Prevent to hurt. What the meaning prevent to hurt? Mencegah apa? Mencegah kebencian atau menjauhkan dari keburukan. Anhum, from another, menjauhkan keburukan dari mereka. Meninggalkan sifat sombong dan menjauhkan keburukan dari mereka. Qala Allah Ta'ala, said sinten Allah Ta'ala, innallaha ya'muru bil adli wal ihsan. Innallaha, actually Allah, ya'muru, command sinten Allah, bil adli, with fair. Innallaha actually Allah ya'muru command sinten Allah command 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 sinten Allah bil adli with fair fair wal ihsani and do a kindness. Innallaha ya'muru bil adli wal ihsani. Allah said actually Allah command with fair and do a kindness. Sesungguhnya Allah menyuruh berbuat adil dan berbuat kebaikan. Amal adlu anapun utawi fair fair adil fair wis fair kan biasanya kan ngono adil kan fair. Amal adlu anapun utawi fair faqad araftahu mongko iku teman-teman you have know about fair. Faqad araftahu mongko iku teman-teman you have know about fair. Adapun arti keadilan yang telah kamu ketahui, iku mang apa adil? At-tawassutu fil umuri wasayru fiha ala wafqi syariah. Sepadan dalam segala urusan dan terhadap syariat Islam. Wa amal ihsanu anapun utawi ihsan fahuwa mongko iku utawi ihsan wa amal ihsanu anapun utawi ihsan fahuwa mongko iku utawi ihsan ihsan tak suek-suek nawis. Wa amal ihsanu anapun utawi ihsan fahuwa mongko iku utawi ihsan kama fil hadithi like as in the hadis iku an ta'buda you should worship Allah ing Allah ka'annaka like as you tarahu iku you know Allah Keputus sampean. Cek sekali mo. Anta Buddha iku you should worship Allah ing Allah ka'annaka like as you iku tarahu you know Allah. Sama seperti hadis yang disebutkan dalam sabda Nabi anta budallaha ka'annaka tarahu. Ihsan adalah you should worship like as you know Allah. Hendaknya engkau menyembah Allah seperti ketika engkau melihatnya. Ku ihsan. Wahada and this kamalul imani Wahada and this iku kamalul imani, the perfect of iman, wa nihayatul id'ani and the pinnacle of obedience. Wahada and this iku kamalul imani, the perfect of iman, wa nihayatul id'ani, the pinnacle of obedience. Wa nihayatul iz'ani, the pinnacle of obedience. obedience, obedience. Pinnacle, pinnacle. Obedience. Wa hadza kamalul imani wa nihayatul iz'ani, and this is the perfect of iman and the pinnacle of obedience. Ini adalah kesempurnaan iman dan puncak keimanan. Wallahu a'lam bishawab. Bisa. Menit dikumpulno. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.